What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DY back, man. And yeah, today we started somewhere different compared to where we usually be at. We started at a dealership. I don't know. I just felt a little bit of something inside of me today. I just want to manifest a little bit of cars because I love cars. So yeah, y'all gonna come along with me. Man, look, they got an SS all black drop top Camaro, bro. Them motherfuckers player. Like, I would get something like this. You see?
Y'all here at the goddamn, you know, I'm about to die out here, Sam.
It is cold as shit, bro. Like, it's 24 degrees outside. But we just came here to look around, look at all what they got. Yeah, I just want to take y'all along with me. We got across the sea. We finna go to a Porsche dealership, man. We can go inside of the Porsche one if it get too cold. We can go inside of the Porsche. I wonder if they got a. I'm not running for no nigga. Nah. Look, somebody driving a Porsche right behind us. Bro, look at this mud, bro. Look at this mud, man. Woo. All blacked out. I would get some like tints on this mud. Like, this Challenger tough, bro. At the Porsche dealer. Look at that.
That's the Jeep I was talking about right there.
What, that one?
Yes,
If you can see it, you can touch it, you can have it.
Man. Hey, we here for a reason.
For real. Look at this mud. Oh my god.
Yo.
They got hella shit at this mud, bro.
Yeah, this the Jeep right here.
Look at this mud, bro. If you can see it, you can touch it, you can have it, man. I just leave your hand mic, bro. It's clean. They got some cold shit here, man. Look, they got a couple of them. I want to go to the showroom, bro. Let's go to the showroom, but they got plenty of Porsche here. I like that blue one right there for sure.
That blue one do go hard.
For real.
Good.
Yeah. Hello. You good? You? Huh? No, we were just looking around. Are we able to go in there and like look around?
This is actually just customer service. It's a service drive, but anything in here.
All right. Thank you. You see these guys, bro? Look at this. I should bring my camera out a little bit more wide the lens. Dang. The back player twin. Now look. Then they got the logo just standing right there, bro.
Here's a 911, bro.
For real, these mother's cold, bro.
Just to be able to see them in person is like.
Cause you never see them, man.
You don't see
then
them,
something like
bro.
that, you can actually see them. Like, did you get you one? Oh, look. They show you the interior too.
Leather interior.
Imagine like just sitting there.
Imagine how fast that is.
Imagine sitting in one.
Just sitting on one alone.
Bro, it's so cold outside, bro.
I like this one though. This one, I like the wheels on it.
Yeah.
The wheels and just the ring. Now this is definitely good car.
It's
Wait, it's the gas?
I think it's all electric. But the thing right. Bro, I think it's all electric.
Oh.
You must play.
That does though.
For real. Like, then they got the yellow brake. I think those performance brake pack. Yeah.
This thing it goes in sport modes.
Turbos.
Turbo S, bro.
For real, bro.
The launch system on it, bro.
They charge you. For real. In front? These muzzles are so player. How much?
82,000, bro.
82 grand? Yeah, that's less than a lot of stuff. But he cleaning it, but He see them ones every day. This one was. Huh? For real. Look, them mugs. You got the red gut seats. Red gutted seats, bro. You almost what? You said what? Oh. Oh, we can look in it, bro. Imagine. Like, this stuff tough, bro. Like, for real.
This is insane.
To even see it, like you said, bro. Imagine you break it. Bro, I would
You would be a debt for generations, bro.
For real.
Generations debt is crazy.
For real. They got mints.
Good.
Hello, good, you? Huh? Damn, bro. I'm gonna get me one, I'm telling you. I just look at all of them, bro.
You too.
Oh my gosh, all electric, like they got them all. Look at the rims on that one. Like them is tough with the lights on and shit. They got them all.
They got the lights on.
Like, oh my gosh, Porsche. I want a Urus, bro. This blue one with the green brakes, bro. With the green brakes, like, bro, look at this mud, bro. I'm finna get a different angle.
That's highlight. Bro, look at this. That's highlighted.
These muds player. You see these muds? And they got the green back. And Nera 4, bro. Bro, if you can see it, you can touch it, you can have it, bro. They be in it. You think? Oh, you think this is somebody's?
That's somebody's.
That's somebody's?
Yes, that's
These just
parking, bro.
Yeah, I mean, they call, bro.
Yeah, they do.
It's time to go. Alright, now we in a Mercedes dealership. I just can't. It's loud right now. I'm gonna find somewhere where it ain't loud. For real. Hey man, I just came in here to like manifest some cars, cause like when you look around, you can actually see it for yourself, see it in person. You know, like this shit really attainable, bro. Like if you could like, I'm gonna live by what Quan once said, where you can see it, you can touch it, you can have it, bro. So like, that's why I'm here. I'm back. My storage had died, so I had to take some stuff off. But like, bro, look at this interior, bro. This is my sole player. Cause we can open it too. Like we can open them all. I think on the inside, just look. You think they would care if a nigga sat in it?
They probably would, bro.
Yeah, that's probably up to him. You see him cleaning the whole thing. I don't know if he can sit in it, but I know he can. Oh, come here. The thing's not even down there, bro. They on the side. Like, look at him.
That's fire.
We could probably ask somebody if they allow sitting, but would you sit in?
If they allow me to.
Do y'all allow sitting on inside of them?
This one might be.
I know they're open, but you can sit. Yo. Yo, imagine, bro. Just look, people touch it, like, bro, to be able to sit in this job, bro. Like, to experience this is something different. Like, bro, this should motivate you to strive for something better, become better. Like, bro, you're definitely gonna see me in something like this today. Someday I'm gonna definitely have something like this, bro. Like, definitely.
The wheel itself. Let me take a picture of the
For real, like, oh my gosh, bro. Can you see me in it? They like, no. Nah, y'all gonna see me in it. Like, this is tough. This was definitely an experience I enjoyed coming to do. We should have sat in the Porsche.
For real, bro.
For real, we should have sat in the Porsche. This was tough, bro. Like, yo, this is actually crazy. Definitely enjoyable though. Like, manifestation is something you should try to do every day. Just believe that you can have it. Also, like, come to a dealership one day and actually, like, see it in person and be able to touch it, because I think that goes a long way too, regardless. Because a lot of people don't understand that sometimes you don't see this shit never. So you at least need to be able to experience it so that you can know it's possible. These Tesla Cybertruck. How much does these usually cost? 100 grand. Oh my gosh. Alright, that would have been like a cool little thumbnail. Hello. Nah, we're just looking around. Look at this one with a big old bow. I'm pretty sure if they open, you can sit in them, bro. Because they send them out. You want to get in this one? For real. I think most cars are taller than you. This is tough. This one right here is tough too. This one? What?
Yeah, this the bigger one.
I'm pretty sure you can sit in these. Sold. This one's sold.
Yeah, this the one I'm wrong with.
Look, sold. Sold to death. Sold by a black.
Sold?
Yep. Neat weekend. Bro, Savon, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look, it don't even. It's a button. It's a button. What is that?
That's the door. To open the door.
That's to open it? Yo, this is tough, bro. Yo. This is tough, bro. Imagine. It's a button in the handle.
Is it like that little increase thing?
It's here. I'll show you. I'll show you. It's cool. Look. It's right here. You press this button right here.
It's inside of it?
Yeah, press it.
Oh.
But that's tough on what, bro? How much? This is 58 grand. Bro, we just came across a Mustang twin. What the fuck?
How much it cost?
This one's tough, bro. This one's sexy. 29,000 miles, bro. It's 32 grand.
32?
Yeah, this one's so player, bro. What the? Oh my. Hello. We're just looking around. Yeah. Yeah. Are we able to sit in these?
It might be locked, bro.
Yo, this is cool. For real. What is the snake on it, bro? Ford Performance? Look, you see the snake on the driver's wheel?
This is GT350.
GT350. Wow, this must so player, bro. I'ma do it.
For real.
Thank you, bro.
She would do
I'm starting off. It's just Day Y.
Oh, okay.
DEYWHY. You gonna see me here someday, man. Alright, man. Alright. You too. I'm happy, bro.